हाय। तो నేను వచ్చేసా సో मैं आ गया हूँ. तो in this video we are going to talk about NSDL and CDSL. So mostly we'll focus on the NSDL because this is the stocks we are going to deep down analysis of these stocks and what all things you have to keep in the mind while doing the research of the any particular stocks and how I do research. I will go exactly in the same method because I don't want to bore this and keep this as a long lecture. And so after this there are other process also which we follow, like decoding of the data and all, but in this part I will keep it simple, like how to go, like in decide in 5 or 10 minutes, like whether we have to bet on these stocks or not for the long term. So first coming to the, like, we will study about the what NSDL do. So if you'll see, they both are in the securities market. So this is in this will see in this. So NSDL, if you'll see, like they are like security depository providers. So basically if you'll see they're like here will the glimpse what is their market cap, everything. So this is the all basic you should know. And coming to the like quarterly result also, if you'll see this, first will come in the balance sheet, because as you say balance sheet is the like a snapshot of the business, what they have and how it is. And cash flow also, so like how whether it is a positive impact of the cash flow or negative, we'll see. So first coming to the balance sheet, as you can see how much they have the asset and liabilities. And coming to like a cash flow, if you'll see the cash flow from coming 2022 now, slightly it have operating have in the positive segment, like it is increasing. Coming to the like investing activity, investing it is like in the negative figure. And coming to the net again, it is like positive. This is always ratio will come to the like shareholding pattern, because this is the most important. Whenever there will the minor changes also in the shareholding pattern, it will impact the overall. So this is, we'll see in the FI there is a slightly change from December 2025 to 2026. There is the changes of the 0.114% is there, and remaining is like almost similar only. In the DI also it is slightly sell off is there. And now we'll see there like whenever like whether this stock will perform or not over the year. So first we'll see the technical part of this. So NSDL, like how it is perform over the years. So we'll go in the time frame of the 1 week, longer time frame first we'll keep. So when we'll keep the longer time frame, we can see almost in the support, they have in the market in the 4 August 2025 all time high was like almost 1400. And we will see, like first we will draw the support and resistance for this. And coming to support, and we can take resistance here, because here it we have trading zone is there, like buying side also is there, selling side also there, but here market has accumulated over the period of the time. Now we'll go in the 50-minute time frame and we will see exactly where it is at. Yes, you can see as I draw support and resistance. If we'll see the overall, we have taken exact support. So see, this is the overall structure of the NSDL. Coming to CDSL also we will see. We'll go in the 1 week time frame first, then we will draw the support and resistance. Support we will draw it here, resistance we can take it is here we will take, because we will see there is the buying zone, and most of the market accumulated in this phase also, so we'll take it here. And coming to now we'll change it to 50-minute time frame and we will see it like overall, yeah, it is good to go. So this is the technical. If you'll see, this is in the side basis in the 50-minute time frame also. We'll keep it as a 1 day because we're going for the long term. See now here market is accumulating. So whenever it will cross, like now it is in 1272 CDSL, whenever it will take it as around whenever it will cross like 1300 nearly, then again it will, because say from here also buying was a peak zone, peak buying was there. So I think whenever there will the bounce of the stocks from the years, it will nearly cross 1400 to 1500 in the next 2 to 3 month max. It will touch. Coming to this NSDL, in the starting only I mentioned I am making this video especially for the NSDL. So we will do a deep study in this, and why NSDL, till where it will go. According to me, if it will give the return in the next 1 year, it might can give you minimum 25 to 30% return. And now we'll see like comparison, because this is the new in the market. They have last year only their IPO has come in the market. Now we'll see like how we have to do. So first I have whenever I do the study, I use most of the time AI to like do the things easy for me, because we can't read financial report, annual report for the more than like 200 pages or 300 pages, and con call and all report. So what I will do, I will download this all the things, like we can do it, download it from here, and I have already downloaded. And what I will do, I have created the prompt also, like this is my cheat sheet. Like whenever I do the research, I copy paste here. So we'll go and whatever we have to do. So basically while you have do the research, three things you have to download: annual report, con transcript, and investor presentation. And I will come in the AI and reveal like these three things will be there. I will paste it here: annual report, then coming to con call will also there, investor presentation, investor presentation, and one more will be there, annual report of the investor was. So which presentation, annual is there. Con call we have to do, con call like this. I have will download it from here only. Con call is will download transcript. So this all will be there. And I will and we will use the cheat sheet and we'll paste in the AI, and I will ask AI everything, what they do, how is their mode of the business, everything they will give in the complete fundamental analysis they will do, because now AI have the advanced things, they decode the data very nicely. So we'll see. Before that I want to show you, like we'll do this in perfect clarity also. Let's see how will the output be there in that also. Is there, annual is there, transcript is there, presentation also is there. Now I will copy paste the same prompt here. And we will see how will be the output of these two things. So if you'll see like overview of the NSDL and NSDL, so they are like provide high volume technology driven depository service, and basically NSDL deal with the institution and all, institution HN and all, where CDSL deal with the like retail. So if you'll see the core dependency transaction fee, from where they are getting like income custody fee and annual fee, DP like depository, and value-added service like e-voting, AGM, and all general meeting will be there for that, and subsidiary and all. Now basically geography India only covering. And if you'll see their matrix, this all is like we will see now like margin. If you'll see their margin, they have almost like standalone operating profit margin reaching in the 2000 FI like financial year 2025 is 50%. And coming to the leadership, like this all is led by ICICI, Securities, MD and CEO. And coming to their con call, what they have like in con call is the most important, because here only twist come, because they will discuss and they will in the next quarter or the next 1 year what they have to going to do for that business. So guidelines management accepted to continue growth from the unlisted company and dematerialization of the new retail product like a specialized investment fund and all. Risk stock on like management technology near term market weakness and FI outflow but remain bullish on the domestic, and this is a competitive advantage. What is moat like business like compared to their competitor, what edge they have like scalability. This is like high fixed cost and low variable cost, so they have like very good edge here and high entry barriers. So entering this segment is very tough. Coming to dominance and debt FPI, there also is hold over 97% market shares. And what is their risks and red flag? Regulatory risks, because now and they say we will enter in this and they will interference. So this is like heavy red flag for them. And cyber security attack, whenever some attack is happen, this will also affect overall business and valuation inside. If you see all this is like final conclusion like in bull case and bear case, whether what we have to do, we'll see now. So this is like it will give you over like structure. See now clearly here like how they explain what NSDL do. Like so NSDL is a India first and largest depository operating as a critical market infrastructure institution. And now we'll see what is there in the PPT which I made. So now we'll go in the detail. Like we'll see like current market price of the NSDL is like around 880 and CDSL is like 1272. In market cap also, market cap it is double for the CDSL and less is for the NSDL. And price turning LTM is the last 12 month trailing. So if you'll see CDSL is the higher and where NSDL is the less. If financial year 26 revenue for the NSDL is high as I mentioned, and compared to CDSL. So we'll see now head to head scorecard, like who is winning here. If we'll see revenue and all this is number. I don't want to tell all this like because again it will be boring. So overall CDSL win here, but CDSL is over the long period of time in the market, and NSDL I told you it is last year only came for the IPO, so it will be give the bounce back for sure. And coming to the like two business same license and very different economics they follow. Like as I told you, NSDL follow institutional focus where CDSL is retail focus. So they have a HNI and large corporate, and coming to the CDSL they are like Zerodha, Grow, Angelon and all. So this is the things which will give you the glimpse like how they are different in the term of the economics, because economics is also important whenever we are dealing in this again. And over the 6 year growth trajectory actual number, like we'll see like how over the period they have grown. And coming to the like most important slide, like this is like how much they have like margin of these two things, and net zero debt for the both investment heavy model, like how much they have. This also is like same which I show you in the same thing is there. So you can see here like who is like really winning in the market, and like who has the better momentum in the market, because momentum again play a major role in the market. And coming to the bull case bear case, what we have to keep in the mind, this is all NSDL net margin how much is there for them, and CDSL how much is there, and asset, and all this is the numbers which you should keep in the mind before investing in it. And if we'll see compare this is there. Now in the last slide I will tell you like what should be the burst case and bull case and base case to like hold this stand by this. Coming to the like I will talk only about now NSDL. So bear case, when you will buy now around 80 is there, so you can buy it and hold it for the like next in 1 year. So at least it will touch, it will give 25% return for sure, according to me. And base case like it is like 950 to 105. If in that in sideways is there, you can accumulate and you can do a stop loss trailing, you can do there also. And in bull case will give the a spike, then you can go for the long. So this is the overall like. And now we'll see like both the equity report, how they have like. First I will say that I will see only NSDL because we have mentioned in the things NSDL. I will see. First we'll see from the quarter result. Why it is not here means like I told you they have recently came in the market. That's the reason this all which we don't consider. From here we will consider June. So you can see growth here and growth, how much they have, like in the March 26 they have the positive growth. So this is the whole thing. Balance sheet also you can see overall healthy balance sheet. They have profit and loss also. Again this will be not there. Again trend over there 5 years they have the almost sales was 26% and 3 years like 14%. And coming to EBITDA margin, like we can see last LTM 28% is there for EBITDA margin. Coming to the net profit, we'll say the net profit how much is there. Net profit also is in positive, and growth is also year on year growth is like 11% for the March 26. So overall it is good. Coming to cash flow also they have like positive cash flow for this. And ratio analysis you can see how it is like their all the ratios and all. And coming to the common size and all, now we'll go in the forecast, because here why it is not coming forecast means because I told you it is to last year only came, so it won't show that much forecast. But from here it is showing the forecast, like so overall okay, because forecast now we can do pen and common size also you can see. So this is like how overall stocks is there for the NSDL and DCF, discount cash flow. Okay, so overall we can see like I will attach the this one Google Sheet also. I will make the things and I will attach like till where it will, because you will track everything like whatever we have seen in the done the research right now and how it is performing over the month and over the year. So we'll see you in the next video. Till the time, bye, see you.